Hello, this is Meta Music. I'd like to explain how Meta Music teaches composition to the beginners. I'd like to start from step 1. I'm hoping you enjoy composing because music is our universal language, and composing is the same way as we speak what we want to say through music. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. First, we write treble clef and the music note from middle C to high C. Rhythm. This is a quarter note. The value is 1. This is a combination of two eighth notes. One eighth note value is half, so two eighth note value becomes 1. This is 1/8 note. The value is half. This is eighth rest. The value is same as eighth note, so half. This is a quarter rest. The value is same as quarter note, so you count as 1. And we start making 4-beat rhythm pattern for 4 measures, combining quarter note to eighth note combination, quarter rest, eighth rest, and eighth note. This is an example. After we finish making 4-beat rhythm pattern for 4 measures, we put the number in each measure 1, 2, 3, 4. How to write the melody? First, we decide major or minor. So we listen major music and minor music. Then we listen 3 major music or 3 minor music, and we decide the key. We pick up major key code from 3 major keys. C major first. Next, F major. Next, G major. For the minor key, we have D minor, E minor, A minor. I start from D minor. E minor. F minor. After we choose major or minor, and also key chord, we start making the melody. This is an example of C major. The first one is the first C major chord, C, E, G. Fourth chord is F, A, C. Fifth chord is G, B, D. We write down the first major on first chord, second major, fourth chord, third major, fifth chord, and last major, first chord, C, E, G. We write the names of the music note. Use the first rhythm pattern for the first major using C, E, G. Use the second major rhythm pattern for the second major using F, A, C. Third and fourth majors are the same. This is example. So, using C, E, G and using the first rhythm pattern, the melody became like this. And using the second rhythm pattern and using FAC, the melody became like this.